Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a chart to another sheet within Google Sheets. This is one of those skills that can really streamline your workflow, especially if you're trying to keep your data organized or present it more cleanly for a project, a report, or even just your personal records. By the end of this video, you'll be able to easily shift any chart to the perfect spot in your spreadsheet, making your data look even more professional and easier to work with. Okay, let's jump right in. Let's start by making sure you already have a chart in your Google Sheet. Maybe you've been tracking sales data or you've made a cool pie chart to show your monthly expenses. Whatever the case, your chart is created and now you want to move it somewhere else, maybe onto a summary sheet or a dashboard tab. The great thing is this process is super straightforward. First up, simply click on the chart you want to move. Give it a single click so you see that blue outline pop up around your chart. This just tells Google Sheets that you've selected it and it's ready for your next move. Now, the fastest way to get things done is with keyboard shortcuts. Just press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command+C. This copies your chart and behind the scenes gets it ready to paste somewhere else, kind of like placing an item in your digital clipboard. Now, I know not everyone loves keyboard shortcuts, so here's another way. When your chart is selected, look up in the top right corner of the chart. You'll notice a little icon with 3 vertical dots. That's the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. From the dropdown that appears, you'll see an option that says Copy Chart. Click on that, and just like before, you've got your chart copied and ready to move. Alright, now it's time to paste the chart into your new sheet. Navigate to the desired sheet by clicking on its tab at the bottom of your Google Sheets window. Don't worry if your sheet's got a lot going on, you can paste the chart pretty much anywhere there's some open space. Once you've selected your destination sheet, you have 2 options. Personally, I love using keyboard shortcuts, so just hit Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac and your chart will appear. If you'd rather use the mouse, right-click on the spot where you want to place your chart and select Paste from the menu that pops up. If it doesn't show up instantly, give it a moment. Occasionally, depending on the size of your chart or if your sheet is particularly busy, it might take a few seconds for the chart to appear. That's totally normal. And don't worry if you don't get it exactly in the spot you want on the first try. You can always click and drag to reposition the chart after you've pasted it. Think of this whole process just like moving a sticky note from one page to another. You're not losing any data, just putting your chart where it makes the most sense for you. And there you have it, a chart successfully moved from one sheet to another in Google Sheets. This trick is perfect for tidying up your documents, sharing data with your team, or building interactive dashboards. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips, and of course, subscribe so you never miss another how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.